Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. So in this session we will be reading only the final line without any explanation, just to give you practice. So you can follow me. Waaw, waaw. Ha, ha. Hamza, hamza. Ya, 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 ya. That's the end of this session. In next session we will be practicing the same line 10 times. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.